Hi y'all, I'm doing a real quick video. I'm planning on making some juice popsicles, and it's really nice because I can be able to make it myself. I'm using some 100% apple juice, and what's nice about that is you know exactly what it is instead of what you're getting from the store. So I have my apple juice here, and I have it in a little 2-ounce container, as well as saran wrap right here. And then as far as the stick, what I'm planning on using is the 8-inch, let me see, which one is it? Okay, it's the 8-inch eco-friendly round bamboo skewer. And there's 100 per bag in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to use one. But use whatever you have on hand, but you know, this is what I'm using. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, I made this longer, and I'm not giving you dimensions or anything like that because it's really not that serious. So it's just really quick. I like to make these for the little ones, but it's not like only the little ones are the only ones who can eat it. And the reason why I put the saran wrap over it, you can use foil if you need to. I just use it so that I can be able to keep this in place. So there's a little sharp end here which I like, because I can just go ahead and poke it to make my hole, and then I can just go ahead and put it in. You know what? Let me break it in half into two so I can make it so it stays better. There. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. So it stays right in place, and I'm going to put that inside the freezer, and when it freezes, it's going to freeze like that, and the little ones can be able to just take it out, and they can be able to eat it. Really, really nice. And I like it because with me breaking it in half like that, that works even better because it gives it a little bit more strength to hold the popsicle. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching.